Welcome to 1360 Brook Street, apartment number L. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We're going to do a walkthrough. We came in the front door, in through the living room, and we have a nice balcony out here. Nice and peaceful. Great place to have a cool one after work. Nice wood-burning fireplace for the fall and winter. And we're going into the dining area and kitchen. And we have good cabinet space, fridge, stove, dishwasher, and exhaust over the stove. And let's go down the hall. On the right-hand side, first door is the full bath, tub and shower. And the door on the left is the linen closet. And this is the first bedroom. Good size, 10 by 12. Bring your queen bed. And as we walk towards the principal bedroom, past thermostat, central heat, central air. Really big bedroom. And we're talking king-size bed and all the accoutrements. And off the end here, we have a large walk-in closet. And right next door, we have your own private bath, so nobody needs to go through your medicine cabinet. So that's 1360L. And I forgot to show you one item here, and that is the laundry center, just off the entry door. Full-size, side-by-side washer dryer. Well, give us a call, 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you. And visit the website, 1350brook.com. And notice there's no carpet in this apartment whatsoever. Thank you. Give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.